What up, guys? What up, guys? Oh. What up, guys? Oh. I can hear myself. What up, guys? Why is my mic so loud? Holy shit, too sick. What up, guys? What up, what up, what up? How you doing? How you doing, my friends? How you doing? Let me put some music on. Let me put some music on. I can't see the chat right now. Just give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I need to find the music. Music, music, music. Where is it? Can't fucking find it. Perfect.
I love this. We do need a vocal in there. Let's get to Audimi.
Perfect. There we go. There we go, guys. Hey, welcome TP50. How you doing, buddy? Welcome, guys. So quiet. What? The mic is too low. Okay, 2 seconds. Is this better? Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3. Hello, guys. Can you hear me now? Music too loud. Yeah, I know. I just turned it down. Is it better now? Little higher. Okay. Is it better now? Much better? Hello, hello. Okay, this should be good, right? Or is the music still taking over? It's good? Okay. Hello, see here. I'm going to grab my yoga mat, so that's good, bro. I already started before you. I'm sorry. I started before you, man. Anyone in the chat who took the buy zone that I posted, even though you shouldn't have taken it? Where's the zone? It was at 76. It already tapped. Only bastards took it. That's correct. That's correct, man. That's correct. Let me see where the next. I think also on the 5 minutes. I have it up here somewhere. Can you see the chart, guys? Hello, Nathy. How you doing, buddy? The buy zone is... I don't know how many pips that is. 111 pips. 111 pips. It was not an... It was not the... what is it called? Oh, I forgot the fucking word. But yeah, it's running 100 pips for those who took it. 111. I mean, I passed the whole challenge on it, so I'm a bastard too. I'm just waiting for Top Step to give me my fucking live account now, so I can full margin the next one, and then I get a payout, and then I'm happy. Hello from Brazil. How you doing, brother? How you doing, brother? Hello, Ferro. How you doing, brother? Hello, Tiago. From Philippines. That's nice, bro. That's a nice place. Welcome, buddy. Welcome, my friend. So the buy zone already hits. If we can get the sell zone, that would be great. I actually have a... Oh, there's some futures. Never mind. This is not futures. I have a sell zone on futures, but not on the CFDs. It's going well, work. Still 0 losses, but we can still take a loss on the next one. Quing Yang. Yes, sir, buddy. My internet is shit right now, coming back a bit later, updating VIP. What update you want? I think I already updated it with 2 pictures. Oh, what you mean? TP, it's gonna be another place, it cannot be in Dubai. Too many scammers down there. So you're just gonna be, what is it called? Put in the same box as those people. Like, once you move down, your name is gonna be a part of those people. Just automatically. Hello, Beatrice. Hello, brother. How are you doing? How many trades did you take these 2 months? I took some on the one-on-one calls, and then on the my personal, and then some on some prop firms and stuff. This is on a 50k, nothing major. I don't know if you can see it. That's what, 6, 4, that's 10, 11 trades. But I started on it last week. It's just doing scalps. Where you can see it. Is this better? I don't know if you can see it. So this is just, I'm trying some different setups and stuff, so, but it's on a 50k, so it's a small account. But it's alright. Hello, Paul. How you doing, brother? About the sell zone, if we take it or not, I will tell you if I enter on the sell zone. It's pretty much just a double top from London Thai, so it's a high risk. The issue is on futures I have a sell at... Why is my mouse fucked? Give me a fucking break. I have a sell on futures on... What price was that? Just give me a sec. the blue line was where I had a sell in on futures, but it already tapped on Forex, so I don't know if I should take it or not. That's the problem if you trade futures. It's not always the same price. It's a bit frustrating. But hopefully the sell zone should give us something. Let me open up my other account. I have the sell zone marked out just to double check it's the right one. Just 003, so what's that? Okay, it's the same, so it should be decent. Why is my mouse doing this? Hello? Can you see my mouse? Look, it's just stuck. The fuck? Fix. Risk 500, go 1 to 3. I mean, I don't have a fixed risk to reward. You have to adapt to whatever the price gives you. I don't know why my mouse is doing this. This is pretty fucking annoying. It's literally broken. 2 seconds. Holy shit, please. Why is it doing this? Hello? Oh my god. Okay, I think it works now, hopefully. Let me put this on here also. I have 2 key levels that I'm looking to take a sell. The buy zone is also running crazy, man. 120 pips. That's literally a whole fund that I can't pass in one trade if you use decent risk. So hopefully the sell zone is gonna provide at least 50 pips. Everything below 50 pips is not good. So let's wait and see. What I would like to happen is the 50-minute candle closing below 88, 87, and then we tap the buy zone on the next one. That would be perfect. That would be absolutely perfect if that happened. Because then we're buying the fake breakout. Sorry, selling the fake breakout. So be ready, guys. Sit on your hands until we get close. What time frame? 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So if we can close below 87, and then the next 15-minute candle gets to the sell zone, that would be perfect. Then we're just selling the top wick, hopefully, on the next. USD, JPY. I don't trade that pair. Sorry, I don't trade that pair. What's the sell zone? It's 3292. 107 and only 22 likes. I think it's because I didn't do the poll. I can do the poll dance quickly. Like the stream or gay, so. Now we're gonna get people to like, yeah. Which trend is the market? I actually think we are bearish on the daily and the weekly, so taking a sell is not that bad. I just think this is a pullback from the sell-off last week. I mean, it is Monday. We still have a whole week on the weekly candle, so if we are bearish on the weekly, it makes sense that the first 1 or 2 daily bars is bullish to create a support to then break further down. What do you use to stream? I use OBS. guys know this is gold, maybe I should put that on the screen. Just so you're not confused. Does OBS work on TikTok? I don't know, but you cannot stream trading on TikTok. You will get banned instantly. You will get banned before you even open your account. I agree with you regarding 92, but I think this is the end of the wave 1 to come down a little for bearish wave 2. And bullish waves. Bro, this is not Maldives. I don't know what you mean by waves. This is not Hawaii. Do you mean like trend waves or like consolidation waves? I don't know what you mean. How many followers do you need to stream on YouTube? You need 0. You can just press record and then you can go. Bania, yes I do, sir. I do. The funded account that I passed today was actually because I had to trade with someone. So I had to pass the challenge so I could trade with him on his. But I need to find a better structure in terms of the one-on-ones because I have so many people now, so it's almost impossible to keep track. So I need to make like a booking system so people have to book the time so I know it. Otherwise it's gonna get messy. Bania, there should be a link to the website below in the bio if you want. You can check it out. You can also watch for free on YouTube. You're more than welcome to join. What's up, Jado? How you doing, brother? Hello, me is ready for sell. Hopefully. As I said, I want the 15-minute candle to close below 88, and then the next candle is gonna get us filled, so that would be beautiful. I'll low-key get hard from that, so that would be nice. I mean, even if the sell zone get hits, the people who took the buy zone will be running 160 pips. Sander, I posted the buy zone for people if they wanted to take it, but I didn't take it myself, only on the funded account. What do you mean by Elliot? Elliot? Is that your previous name? Because I remember the name Elliot. Elliot. Buy now, bro, is the perfect time to buy? I don't think so, bro. I will wait. Take a sell high instead. Wait a little, then we will see. Yeah, that's true. That is true. That is true. Need to open up my MT5. How you learn to trade? 6 years behind the screen every single day. I learn it by myself. Welcome Ismail, how you doing, brother? Why did my comments get deleted? I don't know, I'm not deleting it. It could be the Nightbot, I guess. I'm not deleting anything. We have 1 minute till the 15-minute close. Doesn't really look like we're gonna close below. We are trading right at 88. I think for the vote, you should add another option for those who are not interested. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. I mean, not interested is the first one. You have to press. You have to press the first one if you're not interested. You're looking for sales today? I mean, yeah, looking for the 92 area, but it doesn't look like we're closing below. Are there anyone in the chat who still holds the buy zone? Because if you're still holding, I will low-key close the position now, even though it's a runner potential. Memes lover, I think if I'd done it for 6 years full time, it has to work out. Otherwise, I would be homeless. Any tips to start? You have to be risk-taking in life in general. Otherwise, trading doesn't really match your personality. Come on, girlie. Looks like we closed at 88. What about the technical stuff? I would say buy low, sell high, and then screen time. Spend as many hours behind the screen without taking a trade also. Screen time and sell high, buy low. That's the best advice I can give you. I know it sounds stupid, but it's actually legit. Work trading, I haven't been live for some days now, so I haven't taken anything on the stream. I think last week I wasn't live. I can't even remember now. Time is flying so fast. How's the strategy working for you? Very good, man. Very good. Very, very, very good. Excellent. Perfection. Hello, Marcus. How you doing, brother? Just it, guys. Money Printers live. Welcome, Simalane. How you doing, brother? Nice to see you again, man. Hope you're doing well today. You think this also is good? I think it's decent. It's not an A+, but I mean I took the buy zone on a account, so I'm willing to take the short. And I also think it's decent. I don't think it's a bad sell. It's below consolidation and it's on the breakout candle, so I think it's a decent sell zone. It's like a 7 out of 10, to be honest. But it depends on how the price approach it. XRP the king. I don't really trade XRP. Is it good for a limit? No, that's only 10 out of 10. All good, man. Happy to see you. I didn't see you last week. Hope you're all good. I'm good, man, and thank you for coming back, bro. I appreciate you always watching. We just need gold to turn up a little bit. But I think you forgot, every time I go live, the price stops to move. You should know that, guys. When I go live, the price stops, so I'm sorry if you're in a trade that I had to pause it for you. Come on, gold, like. The price will always stop when you go live, yeah, apparently, for some reason. But I hope that we are in the right spot now so we could push higher. Going to the buy zone. The buy zone is already tapped, Matthias. The buy zone is already running 120 pips. Maybe go online when it's your zone, then hop off when price can move. That's true. I go live the second it taps the zone so it doesn't move, and then I go off so it can move to profit. That's the secret sauce. Secret sauce. Hello, Justin Bieber. How you doing, brother? Come on, gold, please. Don't reverse on my ass. Do not reverse on my ass, please. Boom. Who's texting me? Bring, bring. Are you more bullish or bearish on gold on a bigger time frame? Low-key bearish, actually. Low-key bearish. But I think today and tomorrow could be bullish. And then the last 3 days is bearish. On the weekly candle. Let's look how the weekly candle look. I mean, the past fucking 8 weeks has also been fucking ugly. So I don't know. We just take it one day by step and wait for the zones, and then it doesn't actually matter if it's bullish or bearish. We're gonna take the money out of the market anyways. So I don't really care what it is. Hello, Clown. How you doing, brother? Can you please increase your mic? Yeah, 2 seconds. Is this better, baby? Is this what you like? Why do fake traders show trading view but never the place? Bro, if you're on my Telegram, you can see the screenshots directly from the broker. Like the chart. You can literally see everything. Dumbass. It's literally, you can join it for free, you don't even have to pay, and you can leave after you have seen the screenshots. I can even show you on this account. Give me 1 second. Let me show you, dumb fuck. Just give me a second. This is on futures, but you can calculate the price yourself and check on futures if you don't believe me. Okay, that's a very... Can you see that? I need to take a better screenshot. Give me a second. Where's the Telegram? It's in the bio. It's in the bio. But let me send the screenshot instead. So you don't have to lift a finger because you sound like a lazy guy. Give me a sec. Why does Topstep? When does Topstep reset the fucking? Let me take a new screenshot. Maybe if I do this, just give me a second. Look at the first one, the one above. You can see that's today, and that's the buy zone. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. You probably can't see it anyway. You can text me on Telegram, I can send it to you. Wait, why could you not see the... Oh, okay, you can see the screenshot. Okay, perfect. I have a doubt. Can you do the trading with some $100 and exit after profit and then use the profit to make more? I mean, what you're saying is what trading is. If you make some money, you just increase the... You just use the money you just made. If that's what I understand. Your question is. I'm not sure. Hello Justin, welcome back. Russell, did you see the Telegram? Also guys, remember to reload your screen. Remember to reload, you don't have any delay on YouTube. Sometimes you have to reload to not have delay. What the fuck was that question? I don't know. I think he thinks about something else, but I don't think he knows how to explain it. Like ask about it. Only use the profit, but never touch the original one. Yeah, bro. But meme lover, if you put in $100 and you make 20. Then if you only want to use the profit, you have $20 to trade with, which means next time you make $2 and then you make 20 penny after that. Otherwise you would have to, I don't know what you mean. I just know that the anchor setup is gonna be beautiful. That's the only thing I know. Beautiful. Told you I was going to the bison. I mean, we still have a room. With 1,000 account, is it easy to grow it with catching 10 pips a day? I mean, you should not be focusing on 10 pips, bro. Just focus on fucking 100 pips. No reason to think small in that case. Like, if you have the opportunity to catch fucking 50 pips, then don't be happy with 10 pips. Because your losses, if your losses is also only 10 pips, like you're gonna get stopped out like 100 times a day. Wanna know why I love your channel? You're actually talking to us. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. Even though you talk shit, you're welcome, buddy. Everyone is welcome to the family. I went from 100 to 11,000 today in gold. Oh, that's crazy, bro. That's some crazy ass gambling fucking jackpot you just hit. Blackjack. Coin flip. That was a very bad close on that candle. That was right above it. But that's a no. That's a no. The 50-minute candle closed literally right above, so I can't really take it. It was the anchor setup, but the anchor setup is just not valid. I always go full margin until I get it up to at least 1,000. That's nice, bro. You could also buy Top Step for 50k, $50, sorry, and then you're good. If you only had 1,000 to trade, what lot size would you stick to? I mean, if I only had 1,000 and I would have to make money from it, I would need to go a higher risk, so 0.5 or something. I mean, it depends on if you're if trading is your part job or if it's your full time. Yeah, 0.50. If you only have 1,000, you have to go higher risk. You cannot risk like 2%, so you're gonna get broke. I blew up my live prop firm account and got tilted for a long time. Yeah, that's the good thing I like about Top Step is that you can set your account to like $800, and then if you hit $800, you're gonna get stopped out on your account. You can't trade anymore. That itself will give you a huge edge, because I'm pretty sure that the days you lose your account is the days you lose your mind, where you just tilt and you just go all in. But on Top Step you can't do that. You're gonna get stopped out, and that's huge. That's very good. You have to put it on. So if you tilt, you can't do anything. You're gonna get locked out on your account. That itself is like a 50% increase on your performance. I will guarantee you that. And the same with profits. I have 800 on the 50k on Top Step. I use 800 at stop loss and 1,500 as TP. So if I hit 1,500 for the day, I can't trade anymore. And if I hit 800 on the loss, I can't trade on anymore. But that's to pass it. Once you pass it, you can do whatever you want. The problem with people like me, I never tried passing a prop firm, so it's hard for me to believe it's possible. I mean, it is possible. I can show you I just passed one today. I just have to wait for the email to come. I don't know how long Top Step used to that. So I can show you like later today once I get the email. And it was literally easy. I can show you the photo. It was in 5 days, I think. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. The left is the trades, and on the right is the commission. So the red numbers is commission only. That's why it's $6 and $12. You have to look at the green numbers. How can I get a call with you? I mean, your mom is calling me later today. You can just take the phone after she's done. That's fine. You can also text me on Telegram. Looks like the anchor setup actually was a little dirty. Is the challenge still going? No, it's finished. I mean, it depends on what challenge you mean. Are you talking about the prop firm or the YouTube channel challenge? The YouTube challenge is still going on. So I should actually have taken the anchor setup because of the challenge, but I lost focus. Come on, goalie. And Nime is on what's it called? It's on a break, and I was not the one coding it. That was another guy who did it, but he's still working on it. He says. I just trusted him. What are we looking at here? I was looking for the sell zone, but we didn't really manage to get up there. Wait, how many subs are we at? 66? 67, let's go. 67. Hey, Mr. C, how you doing, brother? Welcome, bro. Mr. C, I passed the challenge that we were going to trade together in the calls. I just passed it today, so I'm ready for the call, so we can get some nice payouts. I'm just waiting for the email from Top Step, and then I'm good to go. Yeah. The anchor setup looks very fucking good now, even though it's the first one fucked me up. So let's hope we get to the sell zone. Oh. Do you have a schedule for streaming? I used to have a schedule, but the issue is if I have a schedule, if the zone is not closed that the time I go live, it doesn't really matter. So I think I'm gonna try to go live around the zones instead of around a specific time, if that makes sense. So every time I are close to something, I will try to go live instead. Because if I go live every day in London and nothing happens in London, I'm just sitting and looking in the window. But the thing is, it's also easier for people to follow if they know every day 9 o'clock. That's where I go live, so it's a little tricky. It's a little annoying. But I think we're gonna find out how to do it. Did anyone take the anchor setup? I passed another one last week. I actually went over the max profit. So. Oh yeah, I know that, bro. I was close to do it, but I had to place my TP quick. Otherwise, I would have the issue with the consistency rule. But do you know when they reset? Like, do you know when they're giving me the next one? I thought I would get it straight away, but apparently not. Took the anchor, was also 50% on the nice. But what is that? Babin, welcome, bro. And nice to see, brother. I didn't take it because the previous 15-minute candle closed right above. So normally I don't take it. So, but in this case it did work out. Keep a lookout for email. Yeah, I hope they send something soon. So I can go on the next one. But I think now I have to have 5 days in a row, right? Or something like that without a loss. I'm not exactly sure how it works. Oh yeah. Hello, Filake. How you doing, brother? The anchor setup would have been a good setup to buy for the people who hold the buy zone. They could have added on the anchor setup to increase size. Then they would have been holding a big position on. Remember we talked about top step. Once you pass the account, you have to wait end of day. Oh, that's true. Yeah, I thought also I remember something about waiting, but I wasn't quite sure. Five winning days, at least 200 per day. This shouldn't be that hard, hopefully. I don't think so at all. But the thing is that if you want to make more than 200, you have to increase. I don't know if I get banned for that. Like, do they still have consistency rule after you pass it? Because then making a more than 200 bucks is impossible if you have the consistency rule. Not on live? Oh, okay. Okay, that's insane. Then it's just fucking coin flip your whole account. Oh yeah. That would actually be great. You just need a few accounts and just copy trades across the scale up. Yeah. Indeed. I think I'm just gonna use the first payout if possible to buy all the other accounts. So then I'm pretty much risk free and then I trade without emotions. Oh yeah. It doesn't look like gold is going to the sell zone. Hello Forex Pioness. How you doing, brother? What's up, my friend? Yeah. Oi. $76 valid, bro. It tapped like 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, so it's already been hit. Nice. Boom, ba-ba-ding, boom, boom, ba-ba-ding. But it looks like we're not gonna get to the buy zone, guys. Sorry, sell zone. Looks like we're not gonna get to the sell zone. So I don't know if it's healthier to just call it or whatever to do. I don't know what to do. I forgot I placed a trade and came back to almost an empty account. what trade did you take, bro? I mean, today has been bullish and bearish. Like, you should be like equal depending on where you entered. Oh yeah. I also think I'm gonna go now, guys. The sell zone is far away now. I'm still gonna be looking for it to take it, but I think it's gonna take at least an hour to 2 hours if we are bullish for the rest of the session. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna go now, guys. Remember to enjoy the day, enjoy the sun, enjoy whatever profit you made. If you took a loss, I hope you don't kill yourself and wait till tomorrow. So see you guys.